Look at that mac and cheese. Stay away from family members that never had your back when they were sitting there kikiing and talking about you behind your back. They never defended you. Stay away from them. Stay away from these so-called nonprofits all over the country that don't care about the dolls. Stay away from them. You know, those people that never cared, they never checked on you. They never cared when you were at your last dollar. But get into this mac and cheese. I'm going to dig into this just so you guys see. The sauce is seasoned, as you will see, honey. There are no eggs and no olive oil, and there's no mozzarella to dull down the flavor. I used a barrage, a gauntlet of different cheddars and Goudas and Gruyères. Oh, baby, I went off. Look at that cheese in there. Yeah, I made it my way. Like I said, if y'all want eggs in your mac and cheese, y'all do that. I think eggs are for an omelet. It's for a biscuit, but not mac and cheese because the cheese is going to bind. Get into that. And when I reheat it, she's going to stay what? Creamy. Anyway.